Hello everyone, Kamogelo here. I just realized that I do not have an intro and an outro for this video, so I'm here to say thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you. Bye. Mwah. So this is like the true definition of if you want something done right, do it yourself. I sent my boyfriend to get me junk oats, and he came back with muesli. Yeah, so I'm having muesli for breakfast, and that's not all. I'm gonna have it with milk. Obviously, I didn't buy any yogurt because I hardly have it, like unless if I'm craving it. For dinner, I made some snack. I'm not really hungry. With that fruit salad, I'm also gonna have some mageu. So remember in a recent video, I told you guys that I had ordered something from Calpiti. My order finally arrived and I'm just opening it right now. So let's see what's inside. I think this was just paper wrap. Then I ordered hyaluronic acid and lactic acid for myself, and I ordered this Increased Salicylic Cleanser for my little brother. So this is how it comes. This is the box it came in. Yeah, so it finally arrived. Here are the products. I'm very happy about them. I don't know how they will react to my skin because yeah, my skin has been going through the most, so I am really like trying to see if there's any difference that this can make. I currently have some whiteheads, so we are going to use this together. But yeah, this and also the hyaluronic acid. The lactic acid I bought for myself because I do have dry skin, so yeah. Okay, so this is how much everything was. The hyaluronic acid was $4.92, the lactic acid was $4.83, and the increased salicylic cleanser was $9.16. So everything I think totaled like 480 something, which is not bad. I mean, for all the products that I got, and these are the sizing. So yeah, that is all. So in addition to those, I also got these beautiful palettes from Foschini. Took this one because it has bright colors. I'm actually very excited to try this green. Took this one because it has darker colors, and these ones are lighter, but it is very autumnish, winterish, so that's why I took it. And I got this one because these are neutral colors, these ones especially, not too much the shimmer ones. But yeah, I'm gonna swatch them for you guys and show you how they look. So we're gonna start swatching this white one. It looks so nice, so I'm just going to do this. And I don't know if I should swatch all the colors. I'll swatch 2 shimmer and 2 matte. So let's go with the matte ones first. Go into that green. This is the swatch. So it's a very dark green, as you can see. Then I'm gonna go to this sort of a coral orange. That is. I'll actually take a picture after this, just in case it does not translate well. There's blue. This is shimmer. My goodness. Love it. And then let's do the purple. And oh my, yeah, no. It's very pinkish, purplish. I don't know how to explain the color. So I guess this is a good swatch. I'm not gonna swatch all of the colors. So yeah, was $79.99. This one, I think it was $59.99, and this one $69.99. I will double check and I will put the prices on the screen for you guys if you are interested to purchase any of these. So for breakfast we are going to make what are we making? Pancakes. I'm making pancake. Just put my flour in here. This is about a cup, which is what I need. I'm using a mug, but because I've been making pancakes for so long, I can actually eyeball them. This is the bowl that I'm gonna use. I use Dine with Neo Nonto's recipe for pancakes. Yeah, it makes them fluffy. It's nice. I know what's that? Self-raising has baking powder already, so I'm just gonna pour 1 teaspoon into 1 cup of flour. Actually, I'll link the Instagram in the description box so that you guys can go and check the recipes. You know, sometimes when you follow a recipe and you still get things wrong, one of the things that I've always gotten right are pancakes. Like the very first time I tried them, they came out so perfectly. So these are my pancakes all done. I'm going to put some banana and I'm gonna also pour some golden syrup to have that. Also, what kind of a person are you? Are you the kind to wash dishes? Wow, this is wash dishes as you prepare your food, or do you do them after? Generally, I do them after, but I am trying to learn to do them as I go, especially for dinner, because you know they can pile up. So yeah. Look at that. Should do that in slow motion actually. So here's my plate, all done. I'm gonna take a picture and eat. I think I'm gonna have this with water. I don't feel like having tea or coffee, so this is what I'm gonna have. I am done eating. I am about to wash dishes now. They were so good. They're always so good, but you know, I think I can never get used to how good they taste. Like, why do you have to taste so good? I'm gonna wash dishes and watch some YouTube later on I'm gonna cook, and yeah, that is it. Also, my hair, do you see the shrinkage? The shrinkage. So I put some gel in my hair because I wanted to do like curls on my natural hair, but for whatever reason, well, they are here. I do have like 4C 4B hair, but like mostly it's 4C. So yeah, and I didn't wash my hair before I put the gel on. I think that's what contributed to my curls not popping. So I'm gonna do this again in a video. I think I'm gonna do it in a video, and we'll see how it turns out when I wash my hair. Yeah, so I'm very excited about that. Let me wash these dishes and I'll catch up with you guys later. I'm wondering, what is that? It's a chair. What's behind the chair? Oh, it's the pen. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wash dishes and I'll catch up with you guys later. Having brutal spritzer a fave. So this is dinner for me and some bev. So I'm gonna have this and indulge.